How to add guides in Figma. In today's video, I'll show you how to add guides in Figma to align your designs perfectly. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Then make sure rulers are visible. Go to the menu bar, which is on the top, and click on this view. Then click on this rulers. Or you can also simply press Shift plus R. To add a guide, just click and drag from the top ruler for horizontal guide and from the left ruler for a vertical one. Need to reposition a guide, just click and drag it to a new spot. To remove a guide, drag it off the canvas and it will disappear. Now if you want a clean state, then go to this view option again and here click on this guides. Then click on clear all guides to remove every guide at once. And that's it. This is how you use guides in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.